Wow. I always was wondering how these engines actually looked in real life.
Yeah.
Yeah, they said something about that. As the air is being compressed, the veins get smaller and smaller and smaller. So they're bigger up here and smaller towards the back. Wow, wow, wow. And what kind of engine is this? This must be a propeller-driven engine. Does it say anything? No. But that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like 9 cylinders, huh? Wow. Wow. Another jet engine. Shooting star. Yeah, these were among the first jet engines back in the day. Huh? Yeah, all the propellers. Yeah, you cannot like even think that they are so big.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are extremely big. Yeah, they used to handcraft them back in the day. I mean, I guess they did some, lathe work on it originally, then the rest of it done by hand, right?
Yeah.
And this looked like a multi-layer, like a laminate, right?
My
And
father worked for Bendix in California for a while.
you see that has a leading edge is metal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Work on the computers too?
I'm not sure. I think it was like, I'm really not sure. He went to Columbia and he
Was 19, they made it from 55 to 60, I think. Something like that. And Merlin Air, the final flight. Wow. Wow, this is so small. This is so small. Yep. So these were the ones during World War One. They're so small compared to planes these days. It's so interesting. I have to come back here another time and just absorb some of this stuff because, well, we had manufacturers. I know they have manufacturers in Long Island. That was a big manufacturing area. I think even Lockheed, I think, started out in Long Island. But in Ithaca, Thomas Morris aircraft. Yep, back in the day, they could do that.
Yeah.
See how many feet he was there?
Yeah. Well, he is in a sparsely populated area too. What you feed from that? Because right now, you can't figure out when the movie starts.
You could just imagine how people must have been really brave to fly on something like this that you would think I won't risk my life on it, but people I guess did.
Maybe an $800 console that they're selling for $500.
Okay, so this is like a trainer
Yes.
back in the day. Link trainer.
670 total. They don't make up everything if you just buy one game.
Right. Oh
So
yeah.
that's how it works.
Oh, that's the jet assist when they need to get off the ground faster than usual. It's
Booster
usually-
engine.
Yeah, booster engines, especially when they go down to the Antarctic and they want to get off the ice quicker. So they put these on there.
Yeah.
Pipeline control, which is a very entry-level job. I do not recommend it for anyone.
Yeah.
But there's also short.
There have been expeditions, to the
Yeah.
Antarctic and come right back.
Yep. Yep, that's what the Air National Guard is for.
Yeah.
Did you ever go in an air balloon?
No.
I want to go. I want to do that once. I want to have that as one, you know, what do you call it, bucket list or whatever.
Life experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They do bungee jumping off of these things too. They go up. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, so this is when they were building. That's the building a large hang on.
I was
GE was.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah,
the
GE.
engine section at GE in Evendale, Ohio. And when this airplane project came along, I was the system engineer. The Army in particular, and also to some degree the Navy and the Air Force, were interested in detail routes. The airplanes were done with jets.
Fascinating, fascinating.
And jets take the long runway to take off.
A Japanese aircraft carrier, huh? I guess we sunk a few of those, huh?
Harbor,
Yeah. We sunk a few of those. Utah got sunk, California got sunk, Oklahoma, Nevada.
Maryland, Pennsylvania.
Tennessee, Arizona, there's Arizona,
Yeah.
Oglia, yeah, America was extremely lucky that the aircraft carriers were out of port.
Yeah.
Yeah, they would have been. I think the war would have lasted a lot longer if those two carriers got hit. I always like any kind of like war movie. I like the war movies out of the Pacific, more than the European wars. Maybe it's like it is personal when they started doing the island hopping. When they went from each island, it was brutal. But like before that, you know, while they were still fighting in the air, it was like almost impersonal.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
And it was personal, but it was impersonal because it was machine against machine. Oh, space flight. Oh. Well, they even have somebody who went up on.
That's
Yeah,
Cyrillic,
exhibition.
right?
Yeah, Cyrillic. Yeah. Lucy. So she must have flown on the Soyuz mission. Yeah, on the Mir, Russian space station Mir. Wow. This is so fascinating.
Yes.
Oh, look, they even. I used to collect stamps and postcards and letters, but like, I just gave it up. But I shouldn't have. I shouldn't have given it up, man. I shouldn't.
Yeah, I wish I'd saved.
Yeah, I shouldn't have. Oh, the space shuttle and all that stuff. I even have a commemorative envelope that flew on the space shuttle where it was like stamped, because like it flies out of Florida and lands back in California, right? So it was stamped in Florida, it flew on the space shuttle, and when it came back it got stamped again in California. I lost it. Like that's the thing, like that. I'm so pissed off. Oh, this is the moon thing, moonscape. See, when Neil Armstrong was on the moon, that's where they filmed it here. They filmed it right there. That's where they filmed it. Believe it or not. Malta test station. Wow, they had something going on in Malta? Wow. Wow. So this area is really like, oh, sorry.
Okay.
So this area is really like, really was involved in the space race too. You wouldn't think so, but were used for initial engine testing. Oh, pit 25 at the machine shop. So is this all in the Malta area? I guess so.
You mean Malta, New York?
Yeah, yeah, Malta test station. I would think, right? GE.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, this is how the pit was supposed to look like. Wow. Okay, this is where they like had the control to launch the rockets. See, see, map of Malta test station.
Uh-huh.
So it must be this Malta. Look, US Route 9.
Oh, yeah.
So if there's another Route 9 and another Malta somewhere else. All the parameters and things like that. Malta test station instrumentation, property of GE. Yeah. Strip chart recorders. Yep. Yep. Wow. So Malta had its fingerprints on a space race.
I guess so. Yeah.
Nothing. Yeah, so they were testing the rockets even here. When the V2 rocket came over from Germany, they were testing it here too. Wow, so this area had a big part to do with development of rocket engines and of space in general. Wow. So is this to get out? The airport here?
How you doing, sir?
Good, good.
Good.
Is this to the static displays?
Yep, they'll take you out to the Agneta Airport.
All right.
And just to let you know, that if you're interested, I could get you into the C-130 we got back in the
Oh,
back
yeah,
area.
I definitely want to do that.
Okay, well, check out the airport, then come look for me. I'm Brian.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So come back here in this
Well,
building?
basically, you come back into the building and try and find me, because I'm going to be around the area.
Okay. All right. God, see, I didn't. Whew. After Steve, he had a big hand in this, huh?
Yeah.
We saw this.
Who is this fellow we're looking for? What's his name?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. Hi.
Oh. Yeah, Grumman, that's out of Long Island.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Current military aircraft. The Rafale. The F-18, the Su-27. Bombers. There goes the German Messerschmitts and the rocket-propelled aircraft. Wow. The Germans. Wow. Dive bomber. Junker
That must have
engine.
been some surprise, for World War II.
Right. And this was the navigator for the dropping bombs from those bombers, from those big bombers. I think even one of these were even used on the Enola Gay that dropped the bomb. They even used this. Oh, this was made in New York. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
So all this, all this stuff that you think is actually, there's a lot of history in New York. Wow.
Yeah.
Gun turrets.
They are airline seats. So, you ready to go to the C-130?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
All right.
It didn't cut the lift force in half.
Yep. Right down that ramp now. Okay. Right up this way. Hey Kevin. No, party's all done? Yeah. Are you thirsty? Oh no, I just had it like water, so
How's it going?
so far so good.
Brian going to show you out to the hill?
Yep.
The big boy?
Yeah, I want to take a look at that.
Oh, you'll enjoy it.
Was it flying this afternoon? Was it doing?
Well, that one wasn't, but one of the 109s was.
Uh-huh.
So they were doing training and all
Oh
that.
yeah.
That strap near
Because I
base.
usually see you guys
Yeah.
Yeah, the yellow
doing
ones with the orange tails.
touch and go, right?
Yeah.
You see it there?
That's what you guys
It
do,
was called
touch and go.
LC-135, and they're
Uh-huh.
special ski landing gear.
Yeah.
So they're flying to Greenland. Most of the wing is in Greenland.
Mhm.
Then in wintertime, the southern hemisphere summer season,
Right,
they
right.
fly to Antarctica. So
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
almost identical to it. When you go.
All right.
Brian knows a lot about it too.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Yep.
All right, dude.